and welcome back to The Kid in the City. I am Jontee. If this is not your first time, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We are back with another day, another look. I'm going to AV Sessions. You already know the third Wednesday every month if you're in the Washington, D.C. area. On 8th Street at the Pie Shop, we have AV Sessions open mic. I can't talk. AV Sessions open mic. It's a good time. I work the event. I'm one of the curators for the event, and we just have a good old black time, baby. So if you want to have you a good time, have you a nice little beverage, a nice little turn on the mic, come on out. But anyway, we are jumping into this look that I am super obsessed with, this nice glam. So if you want to see how I get to this look and get into this full glam, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Back again. Biggity, 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 biggity. I'm not even about to do that today. So it's AV Sessions. You already know. Third Wednesday every month. I don't even, you feel me? If you still got to ask about that, I don't know where you been or what you been doing. But on the third Wednesdays, baby, I'm going to AV Sessions to bounce around at the front of the stage and have me a good old time. But yeah, we're just gonna jump into it. I'm really excited about this look today because it is super cute. I'm trying to get all my stuff straight. I got too many phones. But yeah, the look today is super cute and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so starting with our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. We are going with this. I've heard nothing but good things about this primer, and I believe I was in Target the other day. Was it Target? Yeah. And I saw it and I was like, oh, this the one the girlies be talking about. I'm doing a nice old nasty red lip today. My outfit is brown, denim, and green, just a little hint of green and purple. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. I really enjoy AV Sessions. Like, it is, you know, a platform that I help to curate and help, you know, it's like a little bit of work, but it's a lot of just enjoyment. Like, I thoroughly enjoy going to AV Sessions every month. I always have me a good old time with the people. Everybody is always so nice. It's always such a good energy. It's always a good time. Anywho, now we're gonna go on with our Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear in the shade 510 for our foundation.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
No, I don't want to do House Labs. I actually want to do my Too Faced concealer today. Okay, so today's eyeshadow, we're gonna do a quick look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina Collide palette. You can't get this no more, baby. It's they ain't selling it, but I got it, so I'm gonna use it. So these are the colors. Again, I've used this palette before. The colors are insane of but yeah, this is the palette that we're going into. Super quick, super easy. I'm super excited, but yeah, we're just about to jump into it.
Artlist.io.
Just like I would. Okay, so now that that is done, I am going to go ahead and apply my concealer and then the rest of the face. So I'm switching up my concealers today. We're going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha. That's gonna be the concealer for the day.
Eyeshadow.
All right, now with our Fenty Beauty Freestyle Cream Bronzer in the shade 06 Chocolate, we are going to apply our bronzer as my contour. Oh God. Oh, I done missed my whole mouth. Baby, I got too much going on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bomb. All right, and then of course my new addition to the routine, the Juvia's Place liquid blush in Blush Lily is a shade that we're going into, and I'm really excited because it's really cute. But this is our blush for today. I'm not gonna do too much, just right on top of that bronzer. Just 1, 2, just 3 little ones. Okay, actually I want a smaller one for this because I'm using a small amount. I want a smaller brush. Let's see if I can find the brush I'm looking for now. Let's go with you. Oh, it's a I guess we could use a contour brush. Okay, this is a Sephora 78 Pro Contour. And I am just going to go ahead and pat the blush right on top of that bronzer. And I did not apply enough. Let's see. Come on, Jontee, put some on there. Damn, girl, put some on there. All right, scary ass. All right, here we go. There we go. Girl, being so damn scary. Put the blush on the brush and blend it out. So aggressive. I think I want no, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna just leave it like that. No, I feel like I need a little bit more because once I blend the concealer out, I'm gonna wish I had applied more. And that's why, like, when people were going viral on the TikTok, I'm like, y'all must be using the whole thing because this is super buildable. Like, y'all just wanted attention at that point. Like, y'all was just doing stuff for clickbait, which, like, okay, cool, I get it. But y'all just took it a little too far. Y'all took the clickbait just a little too far because it went from clickbait to unrealistic. You know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm using the product and it's so buildable. It's like, bro, y'all was lying. It went from clickbait to liar real quick. Real quick. See? Like, what? And it's so good. It's so soft. It's all the things, darling. 16 carriages riding away as I don't know why 16 carriages is stuck in my head. 16 carriages riding away on. Alright. You go over there. You go over here. Alrighty then. So blend out my concealer. Okay, so we are going in with the Sephora Pro Concealer 57, and I'm going to put some setting spray on my face, and then we're going to blend out the concealer. Oh, that feels so good. Let's try that real quick. Oh, okay, let's try it now. There we go. And see, this is what I was talking about in my House Labs. Like Too Faced, you use a little bit and it goes a long way. House Labs is like wherever you put it, that's where it's gonna be. Too Faced is very, I don't know how to describe it, but it gets everywhere. It moves, baby. It moves and it grooves. I don't know why I just said that like that, but I can't blend with my right hand. See, like a little bit right here, and I'm all the way at the top of my damn forehead. You see what I'm talking about?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm not going to get too close to the eyeliner because I'm going to take another brush and really make it sharp. But I don't want to get too close with this brush because it's not slanted. I don't want to mess it up.
Artlist.io.
Okay, and now with the same brush that I use for my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go in and sharpen the edge of the wing liner that I made out of the eyeshadow. Take this little brush, and this is like a little flathead brush, if you can see that. Super flat. This is also from the crayon case. It's a fire brush, like my favorite brush for my brows. But I'm just gonna take that and go, oh my fault, I'll go right there. And then on this side, go right here. And I think I accidentally wiped a little bit away. So I'm gonna go back in with my slanted brush and pinker on this side. I'm just gonna put that color back in there. Too much going on at one time. All right. Then back with this, and then just cleaning that up. And then on this side, cleaning that up. And there we go. All right, so we're going back in with our Sacha Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Buttercup, who, by the way, was my favorite powder puff girl. Baby, Buttercup was my favorite powder puff girl because I was a complete and utter tomboy growing up. So Blossom, she didn't resonate with me. Bubbles was dumb. She definitely didn't resonate with me. But Buttercup was about that action. Buttercup was a very much, I'm not going for none of that. And I recognize that in her. And I am for sure Buttercup. All right, here we go. 16 characters. And I'm first going to press this in. And then I'm going to go back and bake. 16 characters.
Music licensing reimagined.
So excited for my birthday. So I'm going to Houston for my birthday this year, and I went to Houston for my birthday like when COVID had first ended. Like outside wasn't really outside yet, but I'm going back this year and I'm so excited because we had a good time last year. And you know what I'm saying, like I said, outside wasn't outside in the way outside is outside now. So if I had fun then, I know I'm gonna have a good time. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. We have the whole but we have the whole weekend planned. Everything is booked and paid for. I just now need to go. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's like, golly, Airbnb paid for, sections paid for, flights paid for, like everything is paid for. I just gotta go. It's the waiting process. I gotta go. The only thing I gotta do is get my hair done. You know what I'm saying? Get my nails done. You know, go see my esthetician. You know, little stuff like that. But the time is now. But it's not now. But I'm so excited for my birthday. I'm going to be so cute. Me and my homegirls is going to be so cute. We're going to be so cute. And like, I don't have no attire, no dress code or nothing like that. You know, like, oh, at dinner, everybody in black. Nah. Everybody just come and have a good time. That was my only requirement. I take that back. Like Thursday, we get there Thursday, and Thursday night I just want us, because everybody's gonna be traveling, everybody's flights are different, so Thursday night is the only like attire night, and I just want everybody in lavender pajamas. And we're gonna have like a game night. We're gonna have like card games and maybe do a movie and just like order in. Because everybody's getting there at different times. We're gonna like run to the grocery store, run to the liquor store, do all our errands on Thursday. So I didn't want to have anything planned where people gotta like come drop their bags off, put on makeup, put on an outfit, get ready to go out. So Thursday is like our low-key introduction, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is like boom boom boom, and then we leave on Monday. So it's gonna be so cute. It is going to be so cute. And yes, I got my outfits on the way. The outfits are on the way. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner real quick. I'm gonna do it off screen and come back because there's no point, but I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Epic liner. The eyeliner is gonna be very small because I already have the wings. I'm literally just putting on enough liner for the lash. That's it. So that's what we're doing. Okay, when I said minimal eyeliner, that's exactly what I meant. Just enough for my lashes. Oh my God. hate when stuff happens when I'm filming and recording that I can't react to. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. Woo, I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. Oh my gosh. Life is so interesting. Life is so interesting. Life is wildly interesting. Life is crazy. Life is a crazy thing. Life is one crazy occurrence after another, after another, after another, after another. In some situations you put yourself in, and some situations put themselves in you. Anyway, I don't even have the time. So we are going to wipe away the excess powder. And we are going to continue to look, baby, because shit is crazy. We shall see. Only time will tell. Alright. Puffer. I'm just going to go ahead and press that into the skin. I hate when I get that little like powder like literally right under the eye. That's aggravating. "16 carriages riding away." Oh, baby. All right. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my my powder bronzer. This is, I can't talk. This is the Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder in the shade 05 Rich. I'm gonna go in with this and just add a little bit more snatch and color into my face, darling. Alrighty then. Why do I keep doing that? Maybe my body and my mind is telling me I need to watch Ace Ventura because I haven't seen it in a minute. Maybe that's what's going on here. 16 carriages riding away. Okay, I brought that down just a little too low. That's okay, I'll fix it with the powder foundation. Cause what the, not gonna say it. Almost, but I'm not gonna say it. Put that right there, and then with my other brush, blend it out, 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 blend it out. Summer sunset on a lonely night, on that long black road, all those tears I cried. All right. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NW45, and we're gonna buff the look out. Ooh, ooh, do 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 do. I shall ride till summer sunset, set, 3 notes, set on the lonely nights. on the road. All those tears I cried, 16 carriages riding away, Ashby by all my tears away. Ooh, on a lonely night, on a long black road, all those tears I cried, all those tears I cried. Okay, I'm not mad at that. 16 carriages running away. Watch them ride with my tears away. Alright. It's too much shit on top of my vanity. It's really too much shit up here. I need to clean this up. Like, golly. Alright. Okay, so now with our powder blush, this is the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2. I'm going in with Lena. And we are going to just put just a little bit of blush. Like, literally that's all I'm adding. Even if you even saw that, you know? Just a little bit of blush. I feel like last time I was so heavy with the blush because I was doing a blush review and I just lost my mind. And I literally put on like an insane amount of blush. And don't get me wrong, it was still cute, okay? The look still ate, but it was just a lot of blush. I forgot the lashes again. My last pack of fresh trays, the lashes was acting real crazy. I think it was Friday night that I broke those out. And the lash was acting real crazy. It was poking me in the eye. It wasn't staying up right. It just wasn't giving. So I'm breaking out another fresh pack of trays. And we're going to see if this one do a little bit better. I still have those lashes. But I just, baby, I wanted a fresh pizznack all over again. So that's what we're going in with. This is too much. I'm going to just do my lashes and I'm going to come back. Because the battery running low. I'm going to do my lashes and I'm going to come back. Because I can't deal.
Artlist.io.
Okay, there we are. Okay, so I am just gonna add a little more eyeshadow to the bottom lid and then I'll be back and we'll just continue the ball rolling with the look. So I will say, this is gonna sound crazy, but I don't wanna do my lavender because I feel like I don't have as much blush and this look is giving very browny. So I'm actually gonna go in with Paradise, which is the kind of, this one right here. This is like the more gold of the highlights, and that's the one I'm gonna go in with today. So I love First Class, we all know, but I just feel like yeah, this goes better with the look. Yeah. Now sometimes I be making the wrong decisions with stuff, but then when I do be making the right decisions, baby, I be making the right decisions, honey. You hear me? And then right on top of that blush, I don't think I will ever have or come across a highlight palette that's better than this one from Black Radiance. Because this one from Black Radiance is just checks so many boxes and it's just so good. Like, are you kidding me? It's just so good. Like, it's too good, honestly. All right, and then with my fluffy, I'm just going back Blending that out. Ouch. I look great. I love this look. Came out so cute. Damn, now I think it's gonna be too much to do a red lip. Now I feel like I should just do like a brown lip. Or maybe I should still do a red lip. Now all my decisions have been real good so far. Do I want to do a red lip or a nude lip? I think a red lip is gonna be too much. Hold on, let me just put a little bit. Yeah, a red lip is gonna be too much. A red lip is gonna be too much. Nope, 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 nope. I really want to wear a red lip, but I just gotta go with the look. You feel me? I think, what lip? See what happens? See what happens when your ass, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I know exactly which. Hold on. Let's see. No, that's a little peachy. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this one. And then we're gonna do the gloss on top. I'm gonna spit that out. All right. For where you at? For our lip today, we're going to do MAC Cosmetics Chestnut Liner. We are going to do Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in Peach Amber. And then we're going to do Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. And that's going to be the lip combo for today.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is a really nice color, if you can see. Super cute color. This is almost like Persistence from MAC. It has a little more orange in it though. Very similar. That's probably why I picked it up, because I love Persistence from MAC. One of my favorite browns. All right, go back in with the liner. All right, and then our gloss.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I feel like that goes with the look. Yeah, she goes with the look, baby. She goes with the look. I know my neighbors probably be like, what the hell is wrong with her? And what the hell is she doing over there? I know they probably say that about me, but that's okay, because I say the same thing about their ass, and they be making noise, getting on my damn nerves. We all get on each other's nerves, baby. Duh. I don't know what. This is low-key like a nighttime look. This look got very nighttime, very quick. My back is itching. This look got very nighttime. I think it was the bottom lid that just made it like more seductive. And whenever something's giving more seduction, it gives more nighttime. You feel me? You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like, you know? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to set the look. Again, we're using Revolution Makeup Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray, which I should have memorized by now. And then our Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray to set the look. Oh, okay. Baby, that just feels so good. Like, men will never understand. Well, I take that back. Men who don't wear makeup will never understand. It just feels such a good feeling. Such a good feeling. It feels phenomenal. Urban Decay. Word. Whoo! Feel it in my shoulders. I need, don't you know, I need. Okay, so I'm going to go take my hair out, get myself together, and I will be back with the final look. Okay, so here we are with the final look. I just feel so brown and so cute. I absolutely love that the eyeshadow that came out. Now, I did a quick run through the eyeshadow for this video, the full glam video, but I'm gonna link the detailed eyeshadow video right here. You can watch that. It just gives more detail. I just didn't want this video to be crazy long, so I just gave it a quick snippet, but that'll be there. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this eye. I think adding the red on the inside just, you know, turned it up a notch. Love, love, love. Again, just a quick full glam. And I keep saying quick full glam, but everybody's quick is, it varies, right? It's all about perspective. This to me is a quick face because I did it in, like, you know, not that much time. Anyway, this is the look. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And thank you so much for tuning in. Of course, do not forget to follow me on all social media channels at The Kid in the City. And yeah, that's it. Another day, another look. And I do thank you for stopping by. Thanks for that. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time. Bye.
Music licensing reimagined.